Hey, this is part 5 of our video series on the new voting laws and some of the changes. My name is Willie Lawson. I'm a candidate for County Commission District 3 here in Hillsborough County. Now, this is the last of the videos, so I want you to, if you haven't seen parts 1 through 4, please make sure that you see them. And even more important, make sure that you share them with your friends and share them with your neighbors. Make sure that everybody has the right information. It's important that we don't go on rumor and innuendo, that we go on truth, we go on fact, so that way we can participate in the system, that we're not on the outside looking in. That's really important because there have been some date changes that you need to be made aware of. There are some changes in the new laws concerning the presidential preference primaries. Okay, the new law eliminates the current date for the presidential preference primary, which used to be the last Tuesday in January, and creates a 10-member presidential preference primary date selection committee, which will establish that primary date every 4 years to fall between the beginning of January and the beginning of March. The date must be selected by October 1st of the year preceding the presidential election. Okay, so you know how it used to be the last Tuesday in January. Well, that's no more as long as this law is in effect. It creates a 10-member panel that will select the date that falls between January and the beginning of March. Okay, so it's going to be sometime in that area. Now they'll select that by October 1st of the preceding year of the presidential election. That's a change that you need to know about. Primary election. This is important too. It moves the new law moved the state's primary election from 10 weeks to 12 weeks before the general election. Therefore, the primary in 2012 will be on August 24th, 2012. And because of this change, qualifying will also be 2 weeks earlier. Well, and the bad part about that is it's 2 more weeks of all those commercials. It'll be 2 more weeks of all those commercials. But be aware that the primary is now going to be on August 14th, 2014. Now, in these 5 videos have been a number of changes that you need to know about. Rumor, innuendo, that's all well and good, except that it doesn't give you facts. These are the facts right from the Supervisor of Elections website. Now, you can go to www.votehillsborough.org and get the very same document, and you can go through it. Now, if you're a candidate or thinking about being a candidate, I would read these documents as well, because there's some changes in there for you as well. So, hey, listen, thanks for being so attentive. Listen, I want to tell you why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because it is important that we all participate. You know, again, the most powerful thing that we have in this country is our vote. It is the ability to choose our leadership, or at least have a part in choosing our leadership. You know, sometimes people say to me, "Well, how did things get this way?" And I said, you know, the old phrase, "You get the government you deserve," is very true. So if we don't participate, we pretty much get what we deserve. So what I want to implore each and every one of you who's viewing this video right now is that you choose to participate, that you choose to register, and do it sooner than later. Please do it sooner than later. As a matter of fact, do it right now. Go online and find out the information you need, and make sure by tomorrow that you are a registered voter. Please, because it is your voice that must be heard. Again, my name is Willie Lawson. I'm a candidate for County Commission District 3 here in Hillsborough County, Florida. And if you want to know more about my campaign, just go to www.votelawson.com. That's www.votelawson2012.com. And all the information is there. You can get my email address, and you can comment, or you can volunteer. Again, thanks so much for your kind attention. We'll see you out on the campaign trail.